Hi guys, today I'm just come to show you how you can make a nice nasal hot water steam if you're suffering from a cold or sinusitis, rhinitis, anything to do with the nasal passage, or say if you've got cold virus and it is bothering you and you want to just clear up your nasal passage, help to soften the mucus in your lungs so that you can bring it up, when you cough, or you can get to blow your nose and get the mucus out. So this basically moisturizes the mucus passage, the mucus lining of your nostrils, and it also helps to loosen the mucus, as I said, in your lungs, that you can then bring it up when you cough. It'll be easier, or it will help you to be able to get the mucus up so you can spit it out, and also to moisten the inside of your nose. Sometimes when you have a cold or flu, you might be suffering from dry. It sounds ironic, but you might still be suffering from the dryness at the back of your nose, and so it causes burning and itching, and that really uncomfortable feeling. That's not very nice at all. So this is something you can try. So in here, that I've got some lavender. That's the lavender, the purple one. I've got cloves, I've got thyme, and I've got oregano. And then I'm going to be adding some eucalyptus salts. So that's the eucalyptus. So I'm going to add just a small piece, just that. And this is what it looks like. So just that. And then I'm going to add some drops of essential oils and some sea salt. Then I'm going to put the hot water. So here I've got Cypress oil. That's good for relaxing the mucous membrane. So I've put that there. I've got some pine needle. That one is good for cold and flu. It's also good for massage and so on, but it's also good if you have flu, to loosen up the mucus, to help to get the mucus out of your lungs, and just to make things more comfortable for you. It helps to steam up your face as well, to open up your pores on your face, to help the sinuses to get much more relaxed, the sinus passage, so that the mucus just basically is not all clogged up and feeling, and you having that stuffed up feeling. Just helps to release your nose. And what I'm putting here is lemongrass, guys. It's taking a time to come out, so I have to flash it. But it's about 3 drops of lemongrass. Lemongrass is also wonderful for massage, and also for the mucous membranes and the lungs. And then I've got some neem oil. I'm adding neem oil because it's antibacterial, and if you have any infection in the nasal passage or so, or in the chest area, in the lungs and so on, it will help to just make things better. Of course, please speak to your doctor if you're suffering from any serious health condition, or just to double check if you're allowed to use all of these. But these are just some home remedies that I use that have helped, and just as thought I would just come and share it with everybody. So there we go. So I've added the neem to it now, and then the last thing I'm going to add is some sea salt. That's the sea salt, and that is antibacterial as well. So that gets into the lungs and the mucus, the nasal passage, and it will help to clear up any infection, or just loosen things up there, make you feel better. So I'm just gonna, I could have added ginger to it as well, guys, but I'm not going to add ginger to it today because I already did ginger. So I'm going to just add the hot water. It's hot boiling, it's boiling water, guys. You can see the steam steaming up my camera. But there you go. Then you just lean over it, put a towel over your head, and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you should be feeling much better. If you try it, let me know, guys, and wish you all the best, and have a great day or night, whatever time it is you're watching. Speak soon. Bye.